Okay, in this tutorial to create the React tab, I'm opening the terminal. So I have actually icon, it's same as a terminal we have in Mac. So and I type create React tab and the app name. So when I run the command, it creates a kind of a default app for you, and it contains the default setup. So usually it will have a development server, Babel, and some npm packages that usually needed for the basic installation, and it will have the webpack. So the webpack will be a default one. If you want to play with it, you have to do the npm run eject, and then you will have the default code setup. So when you actually when you want to create a new app, this way is actually best way, because it creates everything for you, whatever the basic thing you need to run the app. Okay, so it's created the app now. So I'm going to the app which I created. So cd react world, and then I'm running the app by npm start. So it will create a development server, it will run the development server, and it will open the URL in the browser automatically. So this is the app which we installed by just now. So this is the default app we created now. You can see the default app which has the React logo spinning, and then I'm opening the editor, Visual Studio Code. I'm pointing the folder, the React world. So it is in the top here. I'm opening it, and you can see in node modules it has the default packages we require, so like a Babel and the React, everything will be inside the node modules, and the public folder which contains the index.html and the favicon and the manifest.json. So here you can see the meta tags, and if you see in the body, you can see the id root. Here actually the app actually when we run the app, all content comes here. So it's like a placeholder, just like any other framework. And in the manifest file, we will have the meta tags like the logo, all other informations. And in the source folder, we will have all code file. So the first file will be index.js, and then app.js. So in the app.js, you can see, so whatever the content you saw in the page, this is what actually uh, the content, this code actually is the responsible for showing the content. You can see the logo, app.css, the styles are included. I'll explain more about this. So this is a default one. So in the next tutorial, we'll see like how we can create our own component and how everything works. So you can see the app.css is in the same folder, and you can see the styles index.css is written here, and the index.js. This is the first file which we loaded when we run the app. You can see the placeholder, the root is called here, and we are calling the app component also. And this one also, the service worker, it's a default, by default it's created when we created the app. So for the React.js, we must know the ES6 concepts. So what we'll do is we will have like a quick tutorial. So we'll have a quick tutorial how ES6 works. So what are the concepts we must know in order to work on the React.js. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's actually a free one, and click the bell button. Thank you.